Hello, welcome to the course. I'm glad you made it inside. I hope you're excited to learn Microsoft PowerPoint, an amazing program I've been using for a really long time. I've been using it since I was a child. I've used it in school. I use it in my professional life. I use it all the time. I love it. It's one of my favorite programs to use just because it's so easy. Now, in the introduction, I'm just going to cover what you'll be learning in this course. And there's a lot of things we're going to be covering, but the way I've structured it is quite simple. I don't like to do really long videos, maybe 3 or 4 minutes on average, less if I can. That is just so there's less chit-chat, less talking. We get straight to the point. And also, if you need to go back, you don't have to search through a 15-minute video trying to find out that one little thing you wanted to learn. Okay, so what I've got here is my outline. I have got a lot of things I'm going to cover for this course. So each one of these is something I'm going to teach you. Now, I've got the outline here on the left. What I've done is the first section, which is building a simple presentation from start to finish. The way I've done it is after the first section, you can use PowerPoint. You can do everything from typing things in, creating headings, doing some formatting, doing the presentation, all the absolute basics and minimum that you need to use PowerPoint. I don't want it so that you get to the 13th chapter and then you can finally use it. I don't like that design. I want it so that after the first section, you can use it. Completely use the program, and then everything else we learn are embellishments. They're extras. It's to enhance your skills. So I'm going to take you from knowing absolutely nothing about this program. That means not even knowing how to open it up. That's where we're going to start. How to open your file, how to close it. We're going to go from there all the way to the final thing, which is you're going to be able to do animation. You're going to be able to do slideshows. You're going to be able to review your reports. You're going to be able to adjust them on the fly, insert images, do styling, design. There's seriously thousands of things you can learn about this program, and I'm still learning new things all the time. So, not to talk too much. We're going to get straight into it, and let's do it. See you inside.